Okay, let's take a look at how to move around photographs. Here in the sample album we have 4 letters. Let's see Anne's letter. Anne's letter currently has a number of photographs. You see some quotes there and photographs. So let's say you wanted to move the photographs to be above the quotes. What you do is you simply click on the photo and you drag it up. See how it moved it above the quote. Scroll down, again click on a photograph and drag it up to go over the quote. And you can continue that with all the other photographs. Make sure you click Save your letter, and then when you go back to all the letters, hold down the Shift key and click on Reload the page. That brings in the new content of this page. You click on the edit of that letter and you will see that all the photographs are now above the quotes. Now, if you wanted to take photos from and move around photos from one submission to another, there's a way to do that. Let's say we wanted to move photos from John's letter to Anne's letter. Go to John's letter, click on Edit. Let's say I want to move this funny picture of a dog to Anne's letter. Click on this little field with the arrows where it says Move to Letter From and select Anne's name. Now click Save. Now if you look, John's letter now only has one photograph left. Now if you reload this page and go to Anne's letter, you will see that Anne's letter now has that photograph that we just moved from John's letter. And that's all.